Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. And to get started, you will need one of these, SIM ejector. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. Or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you get one of those, I'm going to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. So you can see there is a little insert place. Once you push it in, the tray will pop out. So from there, pull it out completely, and you will have space either for 2 different SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. If you're planning to use 2 different SIM cards, you would place the secondary one on the tray for the SD card, like so. But if you're gonna use one of each like I am, then just move it over and drop the SD right over here. Now make sure it's laying flush on the tray, which for me it's not. Let me just figure this out, why it's not going there. There we go, so it looks like you just need to push it in firmly in place, so the SD will hold in place, but if you flip it over, it looks like the SIM card should hold as well. So once you have both of them placed in there, as I said, make sure that they're laying flush on the tray. You can see that they're not protruding anywhere. Insert it back into the device, and it's already reading the SD card, and then there's the pin for the SIM card. So there we go, that is how you would insert both the SIM and SD into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.